Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Digital Design Studios. My name is Christy. Today we're going to work on an illustration-inspired design using all elements that are available to us in PicMonkey. If you like this video or any of my other videos, hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments. Any feedback would be greatly appreciated. All my designs are available for purchase on my Etsy store at Digital Designs 405. Let's go get our design on. Welcome back everybody. Let's get started. Start with your canvas at 3000 by 3000. That's my preferred one. It seems to give me a good output whenever I download these in the PNG and JPEG format. So first we're going to go over here on the left hand side for our graphics. And if you search flowers and scroll through here and look for these illustration type designs. There's plenty to select from in here, but you'll be looking for the stemmed ones. I chose stemmed flower trio. Back up here. Right here. I chose tulips, pear, and baby's breath. So all three of those I found under the flowers. And then my last one was, or is, excuse me, twisted stem. And that one was one that I found under plants. So now that we got all of these on our canvas, we're simply just going to put them in an order that we like and space them out, on what we think is good. Okay, so you're just going to be spacing these out. I like it like that. I am going to go ahead and flip this tulip over. Well, I'm going to invert it. So to do that, we'll go over here to our edit and rotate and flip horizontal. To me, that gives just a better balance on the right and left side of the design. May not look that way to you, but you do you. So group those together. Now all we have to do is add our text. So go up here to our text. For this design, because it is illustrations, I felt like a very simple petite type font would work. I found this heading west. This heading west is available as already in PicMonkey. You don't need to download that one. Also, this halibut design or font was also, I thought, really pretty. So you could put any word or phrase that you wanted here, but we're going to go with different, and I'm going to go ahead and use caps in here, is beautiful. Once that's done, all you have to do is now all that's left to do is just move this as really just anywhere you want it, whether you want it down low or right up next to your plant. Decision is yours. That's it. It's a beautiful illustration design. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this design. It was simple, easy. All the elements are available in PicMonkey. You can knock this out in no time at all. Like this video or any of my other videos, remember to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. Give me some feedback. I would appreciate it. Also, just a reminder that all my designs are available for purchase at my Etsy store at Digital Designs 405. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.